and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Hello everyone, this is TD, and welcome to my channel, all newcomers. Thanks for stopping by. And before I get started on this bucket list unboxing of a rare Phalaenopsis, if you like these kind of videos, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button, please. And if you're really into it, click the notification button. That way you will be notified instantly the moment these videos drop. Now, I'm going to unbox this. As I've already said, it's a bucket list rare Phalaenopsis, and I got this from Tarzan Group. And let's just get to it. Now, wait. Okay. So, I just opened the box, and inside here there are two containers. One and two. I'm not sure if I bought two, but oh well. And this Phalaenopsis happens to be mounted, which is preferred by the species or the genus. And this is Phalaenopsis corningiana. As you can see, it's a species from Borneo, found at low elevations on limestone cliffs, near waterfalls. It's a small size, grows on trees, I might add, epiphytically. Blooms in the spring and summer. Sequentially opening a few flowered inflorescence, and it carries very fragrant flowers. Beautifully fragrant, I might add. Often described as grape, and here's another. And as I've said already, they are babies. But this species is so worth having. Lowland, shade-loving, warm-growing species. Flowers in the spring and summer months. And that's pretty much all I can tell you, really. Let's see. Here are some flower pictures. That is the one, Fernbrook. But very desirable and so fragrant. So as I said, it is a bucket list rare Phalaenopsis. But anyway, thanks for watching. And again, please press that like button and subscribe if you so choose. And as always, enjoy your orchids. Bye.